Hi students, hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome to the calligraphy class. First of all, let me tell you what is calligraphy and why is it important. Calligraphy is the physical art of writing. Basically, it concentrates on the visual appearance of written work. Handwriting is a predictor of success as good handwriting always has a positive impact on grades. Most of the times, people judge other people based on their handwriting, and if you have a good handwriting, you will feel more confident. So, one way or other, it is always beneficial to have a good handwriting. To begin with calligraphy, we all should know some basic calligraphic strokes. So let me teach you those strokes now. We will be practicing 9 strokes in total. Here comes the first stroke. To start with, we would be using a notebook with 4 lines like 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the first stroke. To create this, we would keep our pen on this third line a little above and draw a curve like this. Again, repeat with me. Start from here, take it like this. Start from here, take it like this. Same way you need to practice. Now, adding to the list, we have the next two strokes, the second and the third stroke. This second and third stroke would be made by a little modification in this first stroke. Let me teach you the second stroke first. To create the second stroke, you need to start like this, create the first stroke first, then come back down on the same line and take it a little up. Now, try again. Draw like this, come back and take a little up. Now, we will create the third stroke. To create the third stroke, first we will create this second stroke like this, and after coming till here, we will join it to the second line like this. Now again, try again like this, and here we get the third stroke. Moving on, we have the fourth stroke. To create the fourth stroke, keep your pencil here on the second line, come down and go up again in a curve. Repeat this like this. Adding to the list, we have the fifth stroke now. This is a kind of inverse of the fourth stroke. We will start from middle of the second line, go up and then come down. Again go up and come down. Go up and come down. Same way we have the sixth stroke. In this stroke, we would start from here, the third line, go up and come back down but on a different line. Try again, go up, come back down on a different line. Now we have the seventh stroke, which is a little bigger version of the sixth stroke. This is the seventh stroke. To create this, we would just extend this sixth stroke to the first line, like this. Like this we get the seventh stroke. Now we have only 2 strokes left. So here comes the eighth stroke. To create this eighth stroke, we will start from the third line, go up and then come back down but not to the third line, a little above the third line. And again make a curve like this and go back up again. Same way, try again. Yeah, like this. Now we have the last stroke, which is a bit different from all the rest of the strokes. This is the ninth stroke. To create this, what we need to do is we will start from this third line, go up till second and make a knot. Again come down and make a knot. Go up till second, make a knot, come down and make a knot. Like this we will continue with the ninth stroke. Let me show you all the strokes now. So these are all the 9 strokes that we have practiced today. We would be using all these strokes in creating alphabets, and creation of alphabets we would be starting from tomorrow. Calligraphy is an art, so to get perfection in this, you need to keep practicing. You would get better day by day if you keep on practicing daily. Thank you for joining. Keep learning, keep practicing.